Amphenol SV Microwave Reduced Flange PCB Edge Launch Connectors are solderless, high-frequency connectors with a compact PCB footprint and are ideal for 5G, test boards, rapid prototyping, military, and aerospace applications. The connectors feature a solderless compression mount using 2 Allen head machine screws provided with the connector, allowing for fast and easy installation. They have a 30% smaller flange than conventional connectors for a smaller PCB footprint, and they're adjustable to accommodate multiple PCB thicknesses without damaging the PCB. The connectors have a rugged stainless steel body with gold-plated contacts for durability. They're also easy to remove for reuse on other PCBs. Amphenol SV Microwave offers the reduced flange PCB edge launch connectors in SMA, 2.92mm, 2.4mm, and 1.85mm versions, covering frequencies up to 67 GHz. They have a 50 ohm impedance and a max VSWR of 1.5 to 1. Customized and simulation-optimized PCB footprint design is available, and reflections are minimized through an impedance-matched PCB launch. Male and female connectors are available, and to learn more about the rugged and reusable Amphenol SV Microwave Reduced Flange PCB Edge Launch Connectors for high-frequency applications, visit Mouser.com.